Well, welcome to the worst modeling channel on YouTube. Inconsistent, don't post very often, never do any build videos, but hey, I got 6,000 people watching me, so let's do some more. Anyway, let's do a quick hobby room tour, and then I'll just do a little bit of blah blah blah. So, I've got all my AK Real Colors over here next to the paint booth. These are queued up, ready to be painted. These are queued up, ready to be finished. That one is my current paint job, and I've got this awesome paint booth that I picked up at KMS Tools. I think it was 80 bucks on sale, so it works like a damn. I don't have it vented out, but the vent on it works perfectly well. Got the old Neo airbrush there. If you've got this tile, get some of these on Amazon. They're 12 bucks. They're awesome. They're quick disconnect. So I've got my Neo there, and then my HPC Plus for doing a little bit more detailed stuff. So as you can see, I do have some of the new AK Real. I don't like them. I think these are a better value. You do get more paint, but this is more concentrated, so I like these better. These formulations seem to be not quite as tough. Anyway, we'll get into that after. So, and shelf, tan shelf is from IKEA. Table is IKEA. All the shelving here is IKEA. These are from Amazon. You can get 2 of these paint trays for 38 bucks. So I've got 4 of them, plus some more stuff. So we come over here, we got more here. I've got all my clears and finishes right next to the airbrush. And the old model bench is more IKEA. The little red shelf, I have more paints, is IKEA, and I'm just getting into these Atom line from AK. They're really, really nice. So you can see I'm trying something a little bit different here. Yeah. And then I've got my speed paints and some of my Vallejo water-based stuff, which is going to be, I'm just phasing out, so I've got it moved over here. As you can see, I've got all of these paint trays, all Amazon. We just finished up one diorama, which I'm going to do a video on. This is the next diorama on the go. And then basically all my inventory for dioramas, all my tanks and whatnot. All the cupboards are IKEA, except this one here. This was a custom maple project that my father-in-law made that doesn't fit in our kitchen. It was for our last house. So as you can see, I've got a whole bunch of all my landscaping stuff and models and whatnot, more stuck in there. We got more display up there. And then we've got another IKEA shelf with more finished dioramas. So anyway, yeah, I haven't been around much lately. Since the last video I posted, my wife had her heart stopped and she ended up with the pacemaker. Then about a year later she had a stroke, so that kind of foobarred things for quite a while. And here just last month, September, I was up working in northern Alberta, and my foot swelled up, got terribly infected, and the next thing I know, I'm in for 2 surgeries, 14 days in hospital, which kind of sucked. And then I got home, I was home for a day and a half, and I had a heart attack. Ended up back in hospital for another 5 weeks with the triple bypass. So yeah, I'm rocking a triple bypass. I'm still dealing with an infected foot. It's gone into the bone. So we're still looking at possibly a friggin' amputation of my little toe on my right foot. So I can't even legally drive now until the 27th of December. So I can't even think about going back to work until the middle of January. Sucks. So anyway, this is where I keep all my figures that are ready to paint and finish off for dioramas. Another IKEA shelf. This one I picked up on Amazon. I made the wooden frame behind it. It wasn't exactly what I thought I was. I thought I was getting a wall unit, but what I was getting was 6 separate units that you mount on a wall. So I had some oak kicking around and made that little frame and put it up on the wall. And this is the closet. As you can see, there's a present for my son for Christmas. And then stock, or stash. I call it stock. It's inventory. This is unfortunately I have 2 stashes, one here and then one at my dear old mom's place. So I am just going to start building until the cows come home. And yeah, so I've got a few months to go. I've got a couple dioramas I'm going to get going. I'll probably post this here tonight. And hopefully by the end of the week I'll have some more video up. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Take care. And have a great night.